smile. What is that? What is that? What do you see? Are those lions and tigers and giraffes? And a monkey? Yeah, what do you see? Let's see that pretty smile. Let's see the smile. Taryn. 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 What is that? There it is. Look at that big smile. Oh, your aunties are going to love that. Yes, they are. Oh, and now you're showing them hiccups, too. I know, those hurt. See how big we are? See how big? Here, we'll show you this way. She loves her animals. Did they stop? What happened to them? Where did they go? Oh no, we gotta get those started again. Yes, we do. Taryn. Taryn. What is it? What is it? What is it? Yay, yummy! That looks yummy! Ah! Huh? Am I just teasing you now? Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, aunties. I love you.